Artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape of work in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks are automated, freeing us to focus on the creative and strategic roles that truly require human ingenuity. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's transforming industries from healthcare to manufacturing. In healthcare, for instance, AI is diagnosing diseases faster than many doctors can. This means quicker treatment for patients and more efficient use of medical resources. In manufacturing, smart factories powered by AI are optimizing production processes and enabling predictive maintenance, which minimizes downtime and maximizes output. It's a game changer. But it doesn't stop there. AI-driven analytics are revolutionizing how businesses make decisions. They allow companies to analyze vast amounts of data in real time, leading to smarter, faster choices. Customer service is evolving too, with chatbots and virtual assistants providing immediate responses and support, enhancing the customer experience while reducing the workload on human agents. However, this rapid advancement comes with challenges. While AI creates new jobs in tech, it also threatens roles in sectors like transportation, retail, and data entry. As we navigate this shift, soft skills like empathy and critical thinking are becoming increasingly valuable. These are the human qualities that AI simply cannot replicate. Remote work has also been transformed by AI. Tools powered by artificial intelligence are improving collaboration among teams spread across the globe, making it easier to work together regardless of location. In education and workforce training, personalized learning experiences are reshaping how we acquire new skills, ensuring that we stay competitive in an ever-evolving job market. The gig economy is expanding thanks to AI-based platforms that connect freelancers with opportunities. Reskilling is no longer optional, it's essential. As AI influences how managers evaluate performance, emotional AI is entering human resources and wellness programs, helping to create a more supportive workplace environment. Creative fields are not left behind either. AI tools are augmenting the work of musicians, writers, and designers, allowing them to push the boundaries of their creativity. In engineering and product design, digital twins are revolutionizing how we approach development, enabling more efficient and innovative processes. Yet, with all these advancements come ethical concerns. Issues of bias, surveillance, and job displacement are at the forefront of discussions about AI's impact on society. Some are even advocating for universal basic income as a potential solution to AI-driven unemployment. Governments are exploring regulations to strike a balance between fostering innovation and protecting workers. As we look to the future, human-AI collaboration is emerging as the model of the workplace. New roles, like AI ethicists and prompt engineers, are in demand, highlighting the need for transparency in AI decision-making. AI is also enhancing security by helping detect fraud and cybersecurity threats, making our digital environments safer. In agriculture, AI-powered drones and sensors are transforming how we monitor crops and optimize yields. Environmental monitoring is benefiting from smart AI systems that provide critical data for sustainability efforts. Predictive algorithms are reshaping marketing strategies, influencing consumer behavior in ways we are just beginning to understand. The traditional 9-to-5 work model may soon be a relic of the past, giving way to more flexible AI and enhanced structures that prioritize productivity and well-being. As global job markets shift, some economies will adapt faster than others, creating new dynamics in the workforce. Mental health support at work is being bolstered by AI-driven apps, helping employees manage stress and maintain balance. Leadership in this new era will demand more digital literacy than ever before, as AI literacy becomes as crucial as traditional computer skills. While AI will undoubtedly change the future of work, it will not replace the fundamental need for human judgment, creativity, and connection. The future is bright, and it's up to us to navigate these changes with intention and purpose.